how to log into another Gmail account on your device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So first of all, on your mobile device, launch the Gmail application and make sure that you're logged into your account already. Now once you land on your inbox page, head over to the upper right corner and tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile icon, a drop down menu will pop up. Now from that menu box, tap on an option that says add another account. From here, tap on Google. Now for your verification, you have to enter your device PIN to continue. Once you're verified, now type in the email address of the account that you would like to sign in. Or if you don't have an account, you can also create a new account by tapping on this create account option, and that will help you out to create your new account. Or if you are having trouble logging in case you forgot your email, then again you will get a link that says forgot email. Tap on there and that will help you out to recover your email. Now once you're done typing in your email address, tap on next button from the bottom right corner. Then on the next page, you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your correct password. Then again tap on login. And on the next page, if you have set up two-step verification on your account, then simply verify your account. And after you verify, you will be directly logged into your Gmail account. And that's how you can log into a new Gmail account on your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.